Most people install Brave browser and think they're safe, but they are using it the wrong way. Well, it's a good thing you clicked on this video because I'm about to show you how to debloat Brave browser and adjust the key settings, make it faster, cleaner, and more secure. Don't miss out. After installing Brave browser, you'll be greeted with this page. So if you want, you can set Brave browser as default browser, but for now, I'm going to click on skip. Now it's asking if you want to import settings from other browser. I'm just going to skip on this one as well. Click maybe later. Uncheck these two, click on finish. Now we fully installed the Brave browser, so this is what you're going to get by default. And of course, we're going to make some changes and we're going to take this step by step. Click on the gear icon on the right side. Under the background image, it's up to you if you want to keep this background image, otherwise you can disable this. But I'm going to disable this show new tab page ads. Okay, just toggle it off. Go on to search. I'm going to disable this widget because we already have the address bar at the top here. Toggle this one right here. So that removes the search widget. Go on to top site. This is where you have the favorite and frequently visited site on display. I don't want that, so I'm going to disable this one as well. And onto the Brave news, by default it's turned off, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Head on back again. The clock, by all means, if you want to show the clock, you can enable it, but I'm just going to disable the clock right here. And onto the cards, I'm going to toggle this off, leaving the Brave start. Okay, I just want the Brave start only, but if you don't want it, you can actually disable it right here. But I'm going to leave this one toggled on. Now we're advancing. Going to X on this. Now we're going to remove these icons we don't need, starting from this shield icon. Just hide it. Right click on this one, hide it. Same goes to this Brave wallet, hide it. So this icon is for your sidebar. If you want to use the sidebar, you can actually click on that one, but I don't need it, so I'm just going to disable it and I'm going to hide it as well. Click on this icon to reveal the menu. Now you want to scroll down here to settings. Now head on to appearance, scroll down here, enable this use wide address bar. By doing that, you can see we have a full bar here, which looks better. It's also recommended to enable this as well for the sake of security. And I'm going to scroll down here. Under tabs, I'm going to enable this use vertical tabs. Enable that. And as you can see, we have this tab on the left side here, but it's just static. To solve that, just click on this icon right here. Now the sidebar is more compact and only opens up when you hover. Okay, so this is much better. Now enable this one to show rounded corners. Now you can see that we have these round corners and curved edges, and this improves the aesthetics. Uncheck show title bar. Now scroll down here a bit. On the tab over mode, change it to card with preview. Scroll back up all the way to customize toolbar. Click on that. Now disable add bookmark. Now scroll down a bit, disable tab search. Scroll down again, disable rewards, and also disable this one right here. Now we're done with that. Scroll back up, X on it, head on to shields. Under trackers and ad blockings, we have options here for standard, aggressive, or disabled. I'm going to choose aggressive. Bear in mind that this might break some sites. If you have any issues with some website, I recommend you come back and change it to standard. I'm just going to leave it on aggressive. As for upgrade connections to HTTPS, I'm going to leave it on standard. Okay. Down here, you want to disable this one right here. We don't want our contact information to be out there, so just disable it. Allowing Facebook logins, no, that's a big no. I'm going to toggle that off. Same goes to X, toggle that off as well. So that is it about the shield. So now we head on to the privacy and security. Here you want to scroll down. Under Tor windows, I don't see any reason why I should have any business with using Tor when I'm not using the Tor browser. So I'm just going to disable this one right here. Same goes to the one below. Toggle this one off as well. Now down to Web3. Now Web3 domains, we have these options which I don't need actually. I think those people who deal with cryptocurrencies might find this useful, but I don't need them. Just go right here, disable it, disabled, and disabled. All right. So now I'm going to proceed to search engine. My normal window is set to Google, and I'm going to change this actually. We have options here. We have this DuckDuckGo, Quant, Bing, Start Page. So I'm going to go with the recommended one here, which is the Brave. I'm going to choose that one. The good news, you can actually change it anytime you want. So now I'm going to click set as default. Remember, why we're doing all this is to disable unnecessary features as much as we can, so we can get the best performance out of this. Toggle that off. We're going to head on to autofill and passwords. So guys, listen, never use the built-in password manager of any browser. I repeat, never use the built-in password manager of any browser. Go to password manager, go to settings. Now we're going to disable this offer to save password and passkeys. I'm so going to disable this. So if you want to leave this enabled, it's up to you, because by disabling it, you will have to sign in every time, but I'm just going to leave this disabled. I'm going to head on back here to the settings, onto payment methods, save and fill payment methods. No thanks. Disable this. Disable the one at the bottom right here. Head on back again and go on to addresses and more. Disable it. Okay, so that's it about the autofill and password. So we're going to go back up here to extensions. Now I will give you an example on how to add extensions on your Brave browser. Click on get more extensions. You'll be redirected to this page. I'm going to search for cat puccin. Tap on enter. Out of all these options, I'm going to go for Frappe. Okay, I don't know, it's Frappe or Frapp. Click on that and click add to Brave. Now if you notice, we have this nice looking color right here. So that simple thing has just changed everything. If you go back to the settings here, go on to appearances and themes. Under themes, you are able to choose a light, dark or device. So I'm just going to leave it this way. It's just going to go with the theme of your device. Now toggle this on to show the home button. Okay, so if I click on that, you can see that we have a brand new page. Okay, I'm just going to remove this start. Actually, I'm going to go right here, remove it. I just want it all clean and tidy. So that's going to be all for now. If you like what I'm doing here, support me by subscribing to this channel, leave this video a like, and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day guys. Peace out.